Deep in Sunnyvale Forest, Timmy the squirrel discovered a tangerine tree that giggled when he climbed it. A laughing tree. How funny! He chattered, poking a branch. The tree shook and dropped a tangerine. When Timmy peeled it, he started giggling uncontrollably. His laughter echoed through the forest, drawing his friend. Penny the parrot squawked, "What's so funny?" Timmy, between giggles, tossed her a tangerine. One bite, and Penny was cackling, flapping her wings in a goofy dance. Next! Benny the bear tried one. Guffaw! He rolled on the ground, tickled pink. The forest turned into a giggle fest as animals munched tangerines and laughed. Even grumpy old turtle tried one and chuckled, his shell wobbling. But when the tree ran out of fruit, everyone stopped laughing, except Timmy, who'd hidden one last tangerine. He teased his friends, pretending to eat it, making them chase him in a playful frenzy. Finally, Timmy shared the last fruit, and the forest roared with laughter again. From then on, the ticklish tree was their favorite spot, teaching them that sharing joy is the best fun of all.